I'll come and slide by 8 p.m. and send a text to your DM. Buy honey for your fucking hair, too honey for your fucking nails. You running out of shoes to wear, so I bought you another pair. Girl, I got you another dress, so bring your ass up down them stairs. I buy you shit because you're rare, and plus because you know I care. Bitch, you know you love it here, that's why you keep on coming there. Your nigga can't compete, I swear. He tried but now he look too weird, baby. I'll come and slide by 8 p.m. and send a text to your DM. 500 for your fucking hair, 200 for your fucking nails. You running out of shoes to wear, so I bought you another pair. You running out of shoes to wear, so I bought you another pair.
I'll come and slide by 8 p.m. and send a text to your DM. 500 for your fucking hair, 200 for your fucking nails. You running out of shoes to wear, so I bought you another pair.
Yeah. Ain't about what you say. I know what I'm doing to get it together. Ain't losing no sleep over 2K. Up at the top like a toupee, like I'm Lupe. I be kicking and pushing, I'm running through town on a Tuesday. My homie, he got it, I'm plugged, I'm on. I'm probably not paying what you pay. Don't care what you say, I'm okay with all of that pain in my verses. Oh yeah, they calling my name. I've been on the stage, I've been in rehearsal. Yeah, want me to explain it? Ain't no way I'ma work for free. Got me working way too hard and asking me to pay the fee. Now I be going off a lot. I see the plot, but not with me. I think I'm dreaming what I'm seeing. I just know they can't believe I'm staying on topic. I know I'm going as hotter than the tropics. Till they see me, I just lock in on the optics. Never drop it, I got too many plans. So now I'm making demands. Told them I need the advance from your hands. Been up so high, they too many plans. So now I'm making demands. Told them I need the advance from your hands. Been up so high, they can't land.